Hi, I'm Mike Massimino, and this is Inside the International Space Station.
Doing a little bit of brain surgery on the space station.
Both times I put my foot through the ceiling in my house.
The toilet broke.
And I am inside the flight control room, and we're getting ready to speak to Dan Burbank and Don Pettit. They're in space, and we're going to see what they're up to. Hey, Don and Dan, how do you hear?
Hey, Mass, we got you loud and clear.
We did want to ask you about repairs you might be doing on the station, and both of you guys have been to my house working. Both times I put my foot through the ceiling in my house in the attic. Dan came over and fixed it. And so I've been staying out of the attic until, Dan, you come back to Earth. And Don, you've helped me with air conditioning problems in my car. So we're just really sweating it out in my house until one of you guys at least gets back to Earth to help out again. But what's going on up there? You're both very handy guys. What's going on up there? What have you guys been doing to fix stuff?
Well, on our holiday weekend here, the toilet broke. And you can imagine all work comes to a stop on station when the toilet breaks. And so Dan and I spent the better part of a day working on the toilet. And there was a lot of downlink video from that, so you may want to see it. We were digging down inside of the panels of the toilet, working on making sure everything was going to turn out okay.
And before we did that, we spent the better part of the previous week and a half doing a little bit of brain surgery on the space station. We basically, with the ground's guidance and their help, upgraded all the critical computers that operate, basically command and control, the guidance navigation computers. So it's a great opportunity to break out tools. Don had an oscilloscope, and he was testing individual chips on all these cards as I would pull the box, swap the cards out, the ones that he had proved that were good, and right now we're flying on those new computers.
And then it's been garbage week. We're getting ready to burn up another spacecraft. Progress is going to undock, and we load all the stuff in there we don't want anymore, like things that come out from our toilet and other food wrappers and things like that, old clothes. And we round all that stuff up and pack it up in Progress for deorbital cremation. And so it's been a garbage week for us. Sometimes I kind of feel like we're those guys on TV that do the Dirty Jobs program, where we're either working with garbage or working on the toilet, or we're doing brain surgery. You know, all of those are dirty jobs.